In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import product Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside your Squarespace dashboard to reach the products area and use the built-in import tools for platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Big Cartel, as well as the option to upload a Squarespace formatted CSV. Start by opening your Squarespace account dashboard and signing in. If you land on a general account view, click Dashboard to open your list of sites. Choose the site you want to work with and click Go to Website. This takes you straight into the site's backend where you'll make all your commerce updates. Inside the site editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Website to reveal your site's main settings and features. From there, find and select Products and Services. This is where commerce items live. Next, click Products. You'll arrive at the Product Manager, which is where you can add, edit, or bulk import items. If you're bringing in tangible goods, switch to the Physical tab so you're working in the correct product type. In the top area of the Product Manager, click Import. This opens Squarespace's Import panel. Here, you'll see a description explaining that you can import products directly from other platforms, or you can use a Squarespace CSV to bulk add and edit products. Click into that option to view the available sources. If you want to preview the Etsy flow, click Etsy. This displays the Etsy import option so you can see how the connection begins. When you're ready to look at other sources, use the back arrow to return to the import menu. To import from Shopify, click Shopify. Then choose Upload Shopify CSV. Select the CSV file you exported from Shopify on your computer. Once the file is selected, click Import to start the upload. Squarespace will process the file and begin creating products from the rows it finds. If you ever need to pause and return to the menu, just use the back arrow. You can also connect from Big Cartel. Click Big Cartel, and when you see your store options, click your site name to proceed. This tells Squarespace which Big Cartel store to pull from. If you're only exploring options right now, you can tap the back arrow again to return to the main import choices without finalizing a connection. If you've prepared a file using Squarespace's own template, choose the option to Upload Squarespace CSV. Click that, select your CSV from your computer, and proceed. Using the official format typically produces the cleanest results because column names match what Squarespace expects for titles, descriptions, prices, SKU, stock, variants, images, and categories. A few tips as you import. Before you start, make sure your CSV columns follow the structure required by the source you select. For Shopify and Squarespace CSVs, consistent SKUs help prevent duplicates and keep variants grouped correctly. Product images referenced in CSVs should be accessible and properly linked, so Squarespace can attach them during import. If you sell variants like sizes or colors, keep option names consistent across rows. And to keep things tidy, a small test file can be helpful before you run a full catalog import. As the import runs, Squarespace reads the file and translates it into products under the Physical tab you opened earlier. Depending on your catalog size, this can take a little time. You'll see items populate as the process completes. That's the full path. Open your account dashboard, go to your website backend, navigate to Products and Services, open Products, switch to Physical, click Import, then choose between Etsy, Shopify with a CSV upload and import, Big Cartel by selecting your site name, or upload Squarespace CSV if you already have a template file ready. Follow the on-screen prompts and let Squarespace handle the heavy lifting of creating your product entries. Thanks for watching. By following these exact clicks, you can quickly bring your catalog into Squarespace and be ready for the next steps in organizing and presenting your store.